What is going on, everyone? Got a tech video here to share with all of you. I got this screen protector here I got on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below if any of you are interested. I was going to show you how to install it on the Galaxy S9. It's very inexpensive. This one actually comes with this tray. It does not matter which direction you place the tray on the phone. So it comes with a wet wipe, which is basically alcohol and water, and then you get a dry wipe. So we're going to go ahead and clean the screen real quick with this wet wipe. Then you just wait there a minute or two and get this dry wipe out, and then go ahead and clean off the screen really good. You take this tray and you just pop it down on top of the phone. Then all you do is peel this off from the tempered glass, and you're gonna place the bottom of it down to the bottom of the tray, like up here's the top, and then it'll drop right on there. Basically, it just acts as a guide, and then you just work your way around the edges, pressing down this tempered glass. Then once it's on there, you can just pop this tray off and you're done. Take this little cloth and you can clean it off. There it is, good as new. Everything lines up perfect. Again, links will be in the description below if you're interested. Like this video, hit thumbs up button, share it, and I'll see you guys next time.